all in today's session. Our today's session is about our poem Trains. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss about some question answers related to our poem also and some other question also. Okay, so for this all need to comment your answers in chat box only. So let's start. Now read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions that follow. Now here we have some lines from our poem. That lines you will read correctly. Then after that you will have some questions. The first line is carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail.
That page number.
Today you no need any textbook. Just read these four lines. I am giving you 1 minute to read these four lines. Read these four lines properly, then you will have some questions on these lines. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Okay, I hope you all have read these lines. Let's see some question answers now. First question. First question, what carries the passengers and the mails? First question is for you. What carries the passengers and the mails? Comment your answer in chat box. Yes, very good. So let's see answer. The train carries the passengers and the mails. Okay, you all have given correct answers. The answer is the train. The train carries the passengers and the mails. Nice. Now let's see next question. The word there refers to. The word there refers to. जो लाइन्स हमें दी गई है उनमें एक लाइन है bringing their precious loads. Bringing their precious loads. तो इसमें ये जो their जो यूज किया गया है वो किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? The word there refers to. वो किसको रेफर करता है, क्या दिखाता है वो there? वेरी गुड राजवीर. नाइस. Yes, very good. So people and any other word for this. और कौन सा वर्ड यूज हुआ है उसमें पीपल के लिए? जो लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? यस, वेरी गुड इशिता. सो द वर्ड देयर refers to passengers. Okay, the word there refers to passengers. Precious loads of passengers. Okay, so this word there is refers to passengers. Now let's see next. Find the opposite of the following word. Okay, now you will get one word and you will find the opposite of that word. So the word for you is pass. Opposite of the pass. Yes, very good. Stanza there was last word in without fail. Nice. So opposite of pass is fail. Okay, nice. Now let's see next question. State true or false for the statement. Okay, now here you will see some sentences or some statements will be there and you just comment that statement is true or false. Okay, if you think that sentence is correct, then you will comment true. If you think that sentence is wrong, then you will comment false. Okay, so let's start. First sentence for you. Trains do not run at night. Trains do not run at night. This statement is false because trains can run at night also. Okay, so trains do not run at night. This statement is false. Now let's see next statement. Trains carry passengers and their goods. Trains carry passengers and their goods. Yes, very nice. This statement is true. Trains carry passengers and their goods. This is the correct statement, so the answer will be true. Now, next statement. Trains run over the river. Trains run over the river. Yes, so trains run over the river. Statement is true. Okay, let's see next. Okay, now next question for you is find the adjectives in the following sentences. Adjectives means describing words. Okay, describing words you will find out from the sentences. Now you will see some sentences and from that sentence you need to find adjectives. Okay, we already discussed about adjectives that we call describing words also. Okay, so let's start with the sentence. The monkey has a long tail. Which is an adjective in this sentence? Yeah, very good. That means you all remember our topic adjective or describing words. The monkey has a long tail in this sentence. Long is an adjective. Okay, then let's see next sentence. It was a cold morning. It was a cold morning. Yeah, very good. It was a cold morning in this sentence. The word cold is an adjective. Okay, adjective वो होता है कि जो हमें ज़्यादा जानकारी दे. Okay, describing word. It describes any noun. Okay, noun और pronoun को describe करता है. So it was a cold morning. How was the morning? The morning was cold. Okay, so the cold is adjective in this sentence. Let's see next sentence now. His grandfather is a rich man. His grandfather is a rich man. सभी लोग आंसर्स खुद देने हैं आपको. पेरेंट्स को नहीं पूछना है, आपके ब्रदर सिस्टर को नहीं पूछना है. यू विल आंसर योर ओन. His grandfather is a rich man. In this sentence, adjective is rich. Okay, you all have given correct answer. Nice. His grandfather is a rich man. So, in this sentence, rich is the correct adjective. Okay. Now, let's see next. Megha wore a green uniform to school. Now, find out an adjective. Megha wore a green uniform to school. Nice. So, correct answer is here.
Green.
सभी लोग अपना माइक बंद ही रखेंगे, कोई भी माइक ऑन करके आवाज नहीं देगा. The correct answer is green. Once again, you all will comment your answer in chat box only. No one will turn on their mic. Okay, now let me ask you one different question in same sentence. here you can see the word W-O-R-E, war. Okay. Can you tell me the present form of this word, war? ये जो वर्ड है वॉर, इसका प्रेजेंट फॉर्म क्या है? प्रेजेंट टेंस में, यस, वेरी गुड इशिता. प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वॉर इज वियर. ओके. मेघा वियर अ ग्रीन यूनिफॉर्म टू स्कूल, और मेघा वोर अ ग्रीन यूनिफॉर्म टू स्कूल. ठीक है, अगर हमें प्रेजेंट टेंस में बताना है तो हम वियर यूज करेंगे, अगर हमें पास्ट टेंस बताना है तो हम वोर यूज करेंगे. ओके, वेरी गुड. तो लेट्स सी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now you will rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. Now you will see some jumble words will be there, and you will arrange that jumble words to make a meaningful sentence. आपको कुछ जंबल वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे जिन्हें देखकर आपको क्या करना है, मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी. Now on your screen you can see some words are there. See, the Nina likes blue. Now just prepare one correct sentence from these words. Let's see who can make the sentence. See, the Nina likes blue. Very good, Ishita. Okay. Any other answers? Use all the words. Use all the words and don't add any word. आपको ये जो वर्ड इन्हीं का यूज करना है, कोई भी अपने मन से वर्ड आपको इसमें एंटर नहीं करना है. यूज ऑल द वर्ड्स. Okay, now let's say correct sentence. What will be the correct sentence? Nina likes the blue sea. Nina likes the blue sea. This is the correct order for this sentence. And remember one thing, every sentence starts with a capital letter. हर बार जो भी न्यू सेंटेंस होता है वो कैपिटल लेटर से ही स्टार्ट होता है. Okay, here also you can see the first letter of the word Nina is in capital. Okay, Nina likes the blue. See, this is the correct order for these words. Now let's see next. We cricket likes me too. Arrange these words to make a meaningful sentence. Arrange these words Very good, Sulabh. Nice. Okay. So you all have given correct
Sir,
answer.
that was my
Let's see the correct sentence here. We likes to play cricket. This is the correct order. Some are just typing we like to play cricket, but here we likes. Okay, S is there. We likes to play cricket. Now let's see next. Down come in minutes 10. Now next sentence, next jumble words are there. Down come in minutes 10. Just try it. Some are saying come down 10 minutes in. Some are saying down come in minutes 10. 10 minutes to come down. Okay, I told you every sentence starts with a capital letter. Okay, and if you see these words, so there is only one word which starts with capital. It is come. That means the beginning of the sentence will be from the come. Okay, now let's see the answer. So the answer is come down in 10 minutes. The correct order for these words is come down in 10 minutes. Okay, now let's see next one. Raining is it heavily. Raining is it heavily.
आवाज नहीं आ रही
क्यों नहीं है बीच में? मेरी आवाज आएगी ही नहीं क्योंकि आवाज की जरूरत ही नहीं. मैं आपके आंसर्स का वेट कर रहा हूँ. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स. Okay, so everyone is giving correct answer. Now let's see. It is raining heavily. Okay, it is raining heavily. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed these question and answers. Thank you everyone. Take care. I will share this PPT. Okay, I will share this PPT in your group also so that you can copy this in your notebook.